Hi, this is Ronald, and today I want to show you guys how you can install FFmpeg. So for this tutorial, we'll be installing FFmpeg on a Windows installation. So first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to actually download FFmpeg. So you can do that from the website, so I've just searched FFmpeg. This is their official website, and we can press download, and we need to click on the Windows tile. And yeah, so there's two sources you can get the builds from. Now I prefer this first one, and you'll need to pick which build you want. So yeah, generally you'll want the latest release. So you can pick just between Essentials, which is a little smaller, or you can pick between Full. I like to pick Full, so I'll pick that. I'll choose that one. Alright, so we'll start the download. Alright, so we'll let that one download. I have one prepared already. But before we do that, grab. So if I type in FFmpeg, it should show this because FFmpeg is not installed on my system. So I'll go to my downloads folder and I'll copy a. So once the download actually finishes, you'll get a zip file like this. You just need to extract that zip file. And then, yeah, if you pour through the zip file, you can check the bin folder, and you can see there's an FFmpeg executable, there's FFmpeg play, and ffprobe, which you can use to get information from files. So basically, ideally that should be it. If you press, so yeah, you might get this issue. So it says FFmpeg is not recognized. So it's still saying it's not installed. So you might need, if you have that issue, you might need to restart your command shell. All right, it's still showing that problem. Not an issue. I have a solution for that. So if you go on search, you may need to edit something called your edit the system environment variables. So you look for that option. You want to click something called environment variables here, and you'll see there's user variables for your user. So you'll click edit here. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to copy the path to your FFmpeg executable. So I'll copy that. Then we'll say new and just paste the full one there. Press OK. Press OK. And just let all of that save. And we'll open up the command terminal again and we'll give it a try. Yeah, and there we go. So it's showing that FFmpeg 6.0 build, and it's yeah. So this is the usage. It's showing the options to get some help. So FFmpeg is installed, and it should work, regardless of what folder your command prompt is in. So yeah, that was one issue I had with the editing the system environment variables. So I thought I'd make this video to help out people if they have that issue. Alright, so that concludes the video. If you I hope you found that helpful. If you want to check out any other tech videos, please subscribe and like and comment. Have a good day. Bye.